What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of y equals to arc tan x to the power of 2. You know derivative of arc tan x, arc means inverse of that function. Arc tan x is going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. Or when you are dealing with arc tan u, when u is the function of x, that's going to be u prime over 1 plus u squared. So we have, in this case, we have arc tan x to the power of 2. You remember, when you want to find out derivative of u to the power of n, that's going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So we have exactly the same thing here. It's going to be 2 times arc tan x to the power of 2 minus 1 times derivative of arc tan x. That's going to be 2 times arc tan x times derivative of arc tan x, which is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So we can say 2 times arc tan x over 1 plus x squared. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.